Hello, my name is Lucila Esther Barrio Orozco, the Mr. House. On the street of a beach called Manatee, there is very beautiful house, surrounded by leaf tree and beautiful flower that make more beautiful the garden. Everyone who comes by is encouraged to see the beauty of nature. But do you pass through in the late hours of the night? See the house, the waiting, mystery, because when every day a silent in all the trees move from one side to the other in the house, and the cat breeze is harder than surround the one who is observing and hypnotized the sun. And the next the way cats say, and I am beautiful like Mother Nature, and what makes with my leaf, fruit and flower will has the panels made. Thank you. Bye bye.